To replace the spring on the Howard Miller clock, there's a pin that goes through from the left-hand side of the support rod. That goes through the spring and attaches it into the slot on top of the, or on the end of the support rod. Once you have the spring in there and the screw put in and finger tight, don't try and use a pair of pliers on it, just use finger tight. It's a brass screw and you'll strip it. With the spring in place, then hang the silver rod onto the two pins on the bottom of the spring. With the silver rod in place, reach in through the front and hang the pendulum on the two pins on the bottom of the silver rod. Make sure that the hooks are straight on your pendulum. If it's gotten damaged, you're probably going to have to reshape them to make them into that hook shape that you see here. Sometimes when they fall, things can happen. If that spring breaks, the pendulum falls into the bottom of the clock and can damage the pendulum, so be careful.